Guys, welcome back! We have more Rainworld! We have more Rainworld! We have more...
Also, like last time, arachnophobia warning, possible flashing lights even though there really isn't any, and also, this is a slower type of video, meaning it's not gonna be good for you guys if you have YouTube Shorts.
Rainworld is a very beginner-friendly game, guys. You should definitely play it, like, alone with no outside help. Like, you should definitely not do what I did, where I get a lot of outside help from wikis and stuff like that, and, also, you shouldn't play on the easiest difficulty like I am right now, called the Monk. You should definitely play on, like, the hardest. Because that's how beginner-friendly this game is, you know, totally. I need a cold, refreshing drink. Be right back. Okay, I am back now. For me, I'm gonna be suffering for an hour. For you, you're just gonna have to sit through, like, 20 minutes. Alright, let's get going. Now, mama, yeah,
My name is not. My name is not James. My name is Waffles on YouTube. Subscribe to my account.
Sana, nana. No. And then get jumped over, and then get walked past, jumped over, oh, get bent, oh! Okay, I can get to there from here though. Move along. Oh! Oh my god! Oh, I'm dead. Oh, nope. Oh god. Something else I realized about Rainworld is it seems to be a pretty open world experience. It's also kind of like Undertale. Your actions have a genuine, real consequence on the world. If you choose to be a jerk to everything that comes your way, things will be a jerk to you in response. But if you try to make allies with things, you might make allies with things. That's something else, but like that's the obvious pick. My thing is there's different play styles between different players. Like I know that's just, wow, really? Oh, for real? Okay, thank you, man. Wow, okay, thanks, bro. I'll remember your face. You're not greeny guy, but thanks, man. You're a kind soul. I'm gonna be going down and right. Ow. I lost my item, and he took it from me. Oh well. You were a kind one anyways, it's whatever. Okay, here we are. Oh! Come on, slug. Hey. I must have scared them by jumping around so much. Hey. Oh, it's Mr. Kindness! Good evening, Mr. Kindness. Here, let me repay your kindness. Never mind. Be afraid.
Creature of steel, my gratitude upon thee for my freedom. But the crimes thy kind have committed are not forgot, and thy punishment is death.
I wanna... Guess I need to sneak. Move, yes! Play Statue Simulator. No! My sweet, innocent little berries. Actually, I don't wait. Ugh. At first I was afraid. I was petrified. Kept thinking. Go, 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 go. Go, little slut cat. Go. Yeah! Okay. Now I see you need to go in here. We are on the last stretch. This is the last obstacle standing in the way between me and victory. Because at first I was afraid I was petrified. I don't know how you're supposed to beat those creatures. Like, what the f do you do? Please tell me that means it's stunned. Oh, that does mean it's stunned. Oh, but it's mad. Holy sh. Yeah, yeah. But you're the one who told it that scared me with goodbye. Then you're the god crumble.
I'm going to survive. I keep on surviving. It's an
Yeah, yeah. Get that energy. Get that energy for you. Oh. It feels so good to survive! Yeah! Oh! It's not fully celebrate too early yet. But God! Is that just an embryo? That's just like an embryo inside of there. What? Oh, yes! Okay, I need to go back for the other one. The other spear that was back there. Yo, this audio is for viewer retention. Let's go. I'm not risking losing all of this that I just got. I'm going to put my character to sleep now. God. Genuinely? Holy dopamine. Ugh. I lived. I lived. Time to claim this hoe. Okay, I made it. Memory crypts. Okay. Whoa. That was lightning.
Before the thunder.
Should probably take my spear. I'm hearing something. So we got the damn birds. Not only that, it's not only the damn birds. It's the damn trees. I was almost a character that dies so that the main character knows not to head out. Why did they just snip at nothing? Are they like stupid? Well, I mean, they are stupid, but like, are they stupid? Okay. This place is kind of cool though. It has actual lightning. I don't know why the lightning is green. Maybe radioactivity or something like that, but it still has lightning, so that's cool. Okay, wow, this environment is really cool after having to sit in the Citadel so long. I'm still recording, right? One of the birds got stuck for a moment. They're dumb, but it's whatever. They roll. You're not getting me in here. Okay. These are some pretty dumb creatures. I will never call them dumb again. I think I got a pass the first few times, but after I said it again, they were like, you're dragging it, and they just killed me for it. Which, no blame. I'd do the same. But like, yo, calm down. Give me a break. It's actually getting a little bit scary. Like, already it was starting to turn into a horror game. Now it's starting to turn into a horror game. But like, the monster's actually there. This isn't where I died last time, apparently. Oh, I died all the way over there. Okay. I'll remember not to call them stupid when I get back there. But they are a little silly and cuckoo in the brain, which is okay. I'm just saying, you shouldn't waste so much energy biting at the air. Instead, you can turn that energy into, I don't know, like, running. That is their decision to... That's their decision to make. Are they trying to eat, like... What are you doing? Go back to your pack. Leave. Stop trying to eat the fireflies. What do I do here? What am I doing? I would call them dumb for that, but that's really smart. Oh, I'm missing my only form of protection now. Let me see. Glad I gave it a few seconds before trying to come out. Is that a bell? Okay. It's a bell. Isabel? Isabel? I'm waiting. Ah, fuck. There's still the rain timer? I can hear snipping. I need to get to that giant gong thing that I hear in the distance. Gosh, why is there so much open space now? I don't want to be out in the open with those things. Oh god, this is actually scary. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh. Uh-oh, we're at quarter time. What's this guy doing? Go on, get going. Why is this one just staying there? I'm gonna have to do another risky play again. That alerted the horde, holy shit. I mean, I've heard of this. We'll give it one more chance. If another one gets stuck, I'll turn on DevTools just this once. Go move them out of the way if they get stuck. And then once I'm done and I save, turn it back off. The saplings are now little dams. And also, the acorns are also little dams. Wow. Alright. Stop the camping! Okay, leave. They keep getting stuck. What the fuck do you do? What do you do? Especially when you have a limited time frame. Yes! Oh yeah! Oh. We're on halftime already because of that one bird that camped so long. By now there's probably one camping the end area as well. Which, if so... Gosh, this is... so stressful. I'm not even like... in the world of Rainworld, I'm just some random dude. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Is it possible to get through now? Or is there a little camper? There's a little centipede. A flashbang! Holy shit, there's so many! What could they want that's over there? I don't know if I have enough time now. They're all just standing there. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a huge risk. I've blinded myself. And I might be dead now. Hello? Oh, they were trying to kill a centipede this whole time? Bums? Okay, we're on the last blip of time. I just gotta take a risk. It's either I take this risk or I don't. Oh my god, I made it. But at what cost? I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it to there and die. Wait, what? But it stopped. Oh Fight! Fight, little slug! No! No! It was right there! Just hide! Hide and pray! Hide and pray! So although there is hope, I'm still turning DevTools on, because how are you meant to do this? Literally, like, that was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that I got there where I actually made it through. I've been doing this for 30 minutes. Just that specific part, because of the fact that they just sit there. I'm only using it just so that, in case some boy comes over, is over here like, nah. You'd see at the top of the screen if I have to enable them. Right now, the only thing, they're on in the background. They're prepared. They're ready for use. Oh, they showed up now. Look, I've seen so many ways to die in Rainworld. I've seen lizards bite you by the neck, getting impaled by a scavenger throwing a spear at you, getting bombed by a scavenger. But out of all the deaths, getting snipped by one of those birds looks like it's gotta be one of the most painful deaths in all of Rainworld. Like, every other one is like, instant. Lights out, you're dead. And even if it's not, it's like, yeah, you probably had your pain receptors burnt off before you could even truly feel any real deep pain, so, you know. But these snippy guys, it looks like they have to bite you like a few couple times before your character genuinely is dead. Because these things, it may be over. No, 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 no! I can't tell if I'm alive. And to be for real, I won't. Leave. Leave. I think flashbangs are more useful here than spears will be. Only issue is I hit myself a lot, so. No centipede, it seems. Look, I'm gonna just sleep on an empty stomach. Like, this is gonna be the first time ever that I deal with whatever drawbacks come. Yo. My character is being a little bit stupid right now. And it's sad, because my character was acting a little more stupid than even the birds. And as you know, the birds are really... This is it. The thing that... Genuinely, let me grab on! Holy shit!
Alright, now, does past me land this jump? Let's find out. Put your vote in, yes or no? Oh nah, past me definitely didn't make it, yo.
There's one. The leg? Please don't only have to. Oh my god! I have to do that all over again. Oh my god, this is so bomb. Oh my god. The cycle of death, it just repeats again and again and again. Is this what Rainworld's about? The cycle of death? Throwing out flashbang. This is bad. They make a lot of sparks. Are they called spark birds? They're probably called sparkers, sparkies. I don't know. The sparkies.
Slugcat from Rainworld.
Ow! Ow! So glad I did that while I was in shelter. Patience. Through such hardships, such warranties, such adventure. Okay, we made it. We made it. I don't care. I'm going to sleep. Actually, you know what? No. They are right. There was food up there. Never mind, I can't reach it right now. I'm not doing all that risk. I only have 2 food bars, which doesn't seem like a downside at all. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! That's how bad that is. Okay. Oh god. Also, I can't go ahead and turn off the cheats now because, unfortunately, it said my game has not been saved. So, for now, this one's going to have cheats on in the background, but I'm not going to use them. What? Oh. Ow. Oh my god. My character. Come on. You've got this. The food's up there. Just fight. The food's up there. Okay, rest. Rest. What? No. No! No! Not this hellhole again! Ah! So we're gonna be beating the birds. So today we're gonna be going beating the birds. The scissor birds. How long have I been at this? Oh my god, I've been recording for an hour. And about 20 minutes was inside of like the Citadel, so I've been doing this for like 40 minutes. Yo, slug. Climb? Did you know? In Rainworld, if you die, you get sent back to where you last, like, put your spawn point. This is because this game respawns, allows you to respawn, like most game. Due to the fact that if you weren't able to, it would be basically impossible to beat the game. Did you know? If you grab a pointy stick and you jab it inside of an enemy, it'll hurt them. Did you know? The little creatures called scavengers, if you throw a pearl at them, I don't know what happens. I don't know. Ask another guy.
That's awesome. Well, you froze. Pete? Well, Pete? Oh, you froze.
Did you know? In Rainworld, the AI. Did you know? In Rainworld, the AI is not actual artificial intelligence. Rather, it is an algorithm. Did you know? In Rainworld, the character you play as can die. This is because they have health. Fun facts about Rainworld. Fun fact number 1. Did you know that if you click space, you jump? This is because, like in most games, when you click space, you jump. So usually, the space bar will make you jump. It does that in this game too. Did you know? It's okay, we're not on halftime yet. I'm gonna give him 1 circle of time to get out of there, and if he doesn't, I'm just yanking him out. Okay, you've wasted too much time. What? Why is it not turning on? Hey! Can I turn my thingy on, or? Shit. Did I just never turn it on? What the fuck? Guess I gotta take a risk.
Alright, do I live or do I die? Put your votes in, yes or no. Do you have your vote? You're on.
Okay, so apparently I never had cheats on. So this whole time I've been doing this without cheats? Which is insane. But it's whatever. Because in the end, I've made it back. This time I'm going to eat... What? Where's the spear? Okay, maybe I can do this side, because this side looks like you're supposed to wall hop a few times. Okay, I do not have a lot of time. I do not have a lot of time. I should have enough time to eat something though. God. Okay. Oh my god. Yes. After so unbelievably long. Oh my god. I did it. I did it. Okay. I need to take a break. Did I even enable the mods? Oh, I tried, but it never happened. Oh well, whatever. Okay. That'll be the end of this video. Oh god. Wait. So actually wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Give me a moment. Hang on, I'll find it. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. If you did get this far, oh wow, you have an attention span in this year? Oh, wow. Kinda crazy, bro. Bye-bye, and, yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching till the very end. I would appreciate it if you give this video a like, because clearly you liked it enough to stay. A comment would be nice too, especially for the fact that you could give me feedback. And subscribe if you really feel like it. I'll be trying to post more often. I've been trying, trust me. It's really difficult with how my PC has very little space, and the fact that I'm just doing this as a hobby, not because I'm being paid or anything like that, and I wouldn't ever try and get this to be a job. But yeah, thank you guys.